his first ever Money in the Bank ladder match.
Exactly what I'm talking about. Here we go, baby. It just got kicked off.
Prestigious Money in the Bank ladder match of all time. The most
Money in the Bank ladder match goal is because of the choke slam. Oh no! Choke slam! I was right. Oh no! Here comes Finn Balor to the top of the line.
To bounce back though. Randy Orton stepped out of the way. There's the power slam by Randy.
The great ones make it look easy.
And Randy
Power slam.
Know what I mean?
And Orton remains in control. What a disaster. And the ladder. The RKO. Well, watch out, Orton. Kidman gets it up. RKO. Orton's on fire. He needs a damn ladder. Now flying and loading. Well, great Khali.
Oh, and Seth throws his back. Rey Mysterio says, no way, no way! Oh, Seth Rollins with a chair.
On that same angle that Jackson.
Oh, no!
Suplex X.
JBL, you stay right where you are. You'll be okay.
Trust you, King.
Oh my God!
I certainly don't trust these two guys.
Oh my goodness, John.
The razor's edge into
And Rollins! Look at the ladder! Look at the ladder! Oh my God, the ladder buckled in half!
Cena now, standing toe-to-toe. This bode well.
Oh!
And there's the overhead kick. Seth Rollins is going to climb the ladder. Rollins' opportunity here. Seth Rollins' chance. There's nobody else stirring. Seth Rollins could be moments away from becoming Mr. Money in the Bank.